Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Xbox Series X or S. So just on the home screen here, if we want to go ahead and delete everything, we can go to Settings and then go on down to System and then go to Console Information. Now there's going to be two different settings under here. So we can go to Reset Console right here in the center of the screen. And we have the option to reset and remove everything, or we have reset and keep my games and applications. So it says reset your console. If you reset your console, it will restart and erase all the accounts, save games, settings, and home Xbox associations. You can choose whether to keep your installed games and apps or completely erase them. So your account's going to be erased either way. So you'll have to sign in with your email address and your password associated with your account. So make sure you have that at hand. And it may take some time to go ahead and just factory reset everything, but go ahead and choose the option. Now, if you're going to be reselling it, just reset and remove everything from it. If you're just doing this because you have an issue with your Xbox, maybe there's a software error or a glitch, go and just try resetting and keep my games and apps. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.